battle pass.
And so they only show bad guys. And so we have some stormtroopers here and the second leader of the stormtroopers. And they have a little big blaster. And these are two things that could carry the guns. It's for him and him. And he could shoot these two. That's the good guys. And you see there's some details like a blowing up thing and it's blasting. And we have a Kylo Ren here, so they know this is like Star Wars if they don't know how to read this. So we're gonna talk about it. So we're not gonna build it because we already built it. We just always hide them on every single video. So maybe you could just make something that we buy something that's little and we can like build it. So we're gonna put the box right here. So here we have the Lego. So we are going to start with this guy. Here. So this is the second leader of the stormtroopers. So this is the back and the side.
They can't see the front. They can't see the back. Their hands are covering them.
So this is the front. He has a gray jacket and some gray pants. He has a microphone right here, up to his ear and then coming down to his mouth. He has a gun, a blaster. He has a black belt and a hat. So the way if you want to shoot this, you just pull this thing down and it like shoots like this. Not much to talk about him. Well, there's it goes like around his belt, but they didn't do some black here to actually really look like there's the belt. So we are going to move on to the other one. So we are going to do the next one, the stormtrooper. We're just going to do one stormtrooper because they're the same. So this is the stormtrooper. He has the same gun, but something on the back. So we're going to start with his gun. So he has like, it's very easy to make the gun because you just click this down and put this here, the red Lego in there, and you just put this here. And it's like he could hold it with two hands, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to let him do this, like hold it on right here. So it could do the same thing in the blast like I showed you with the other guy. So this is the stormtrooper. He has black gloves, a helmet, and a jetpack. So it has these two blue Lego little pieces. And you want to put this on. And there's some cool details. And it has lots of scratches. One here, one here, one there, and one on his forehead, on the helmet. And he has a big belt. And I will be right back so I could just switch to see the back. So, this is the stormtrooper's back. It has some more scratches on it. And he's wearing a white suit. And under his mask is this. He has the same face under this. So, now I'm going to talk about the jetpack. Actually, he has two black gloves. So you would know about that because if you've seen the movie, you would know that they have black gloves. So here's the jetpack. There's a hole here because you could put it on the neck. See? There's a hole here, so it could fit on the neck. Like that. So that was the jetpack. Now we are going to talk about this stormtrooper. Has the same gun and same face, but different suit. So it's wearing white, black, gray, and red. A lot of red. He doesn't have scratches. Here's the back. It's different because he has a light brownish color for the belt on the back. These are red. He has the black gloves too. And this is the back. Oh, you saw it. So these are the feet too. And you can have lots of fun with it. He has some red here and some black. And some red on his helmet. Mm-hmm. So we are going to talk about this now. So we are going to talk about the big blaster now. So we have a big blaster right here. So it can move up and down. And wait a second. I'll be right back. So this is a blaster. It has a black thing right here so it could hold something else. And the big blaster here. This one, the red one. And if you just push this down.
No, you have to flick it.
Yeah, you like this. Wait.
Okay.
I'll just do this. And if you lose it, there's an extra one. So I'll be right back so I can get it. So it can go up and down. It could shoot. And it could move this way or this way. So you could try to aim this way or all the way that way. So it's fun. So we'll be right back because something else fell. So we just lost this piece. So it's like a remote controller. Somebody has to stand up here. It's this person, and he stands up here, and he gets to control the blaster and up and down or shoot it. And these two, they could move.
I think those are like shields when the others are trying to shoot them.
Yeah. So these are the two things that could hold the guns. And somebody gets to sit here too to shoot these two guns if you put those there. So we're done talking about this. Actually, this is the bottom.
Nothing much about that.
Yeah, so that's it for my video. I hope you liked it. And you probably want to see the other video. The one when my brother surprised me to when they bought me this Lego. Just don't forget to click that like and subscribe. And I will guys see you guys next time. Bye.